Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to delete Netflix search history. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Netflix account. Make sure that you're already signed into your account. Netflix does not have search history. It might have your viewing history. It might have you continue watching series, but it does not have search history. If I tap on the search box, and if you're talking about this top searches, these aren't your search history. These are simply the top searches made by people who are also using Netflix near your area or near your region, or just someplace around you, and Netflix is actually recommending those searches from all the other people and trending section. To you, it's just like the explore and the trending section. How do you see on YouTube that you cannot remove it because it's just there? Similarly, this is the case for Netflix as well. You have the top searches, which means that it was some of the most trending shows currently people are watching right now. So you have to understand that, however, if you want to delete other history. Let's say that you want to delete your continue watching history. So if I come back to the bottom over here, you can see continue watching for this specific profile. Here are the shows that I'm currently watching. In order to remove this, tap on the tree lots and tap on the button that says remove from row. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.